remaster, played in his 1259th hockey game tonight.
If you with me, let me know. Let's bring it
David
home.
Perron, third tour of duty with the St. Louis Blues, signed as a free agent from the Vegas Golden Knights.
We bring it home. So if you with me, let me know. Let's bring it home.
Accept and execute, Doc, those role players, and you see the respect they have for Thorburn, a guy that did not see the ice a lot, and not at all in the cup final. Chris Thorburn, a role player, a tough player.
Second bit of hardware for O'Reilly, and the one of the greatest meaning. Handed off to an alternate captain for the team, Vladimir Tarasenko.
And it took all these years from 1970 to 2019 to get back to the final, and they've won it. The St. Louis Blues are Stanley.
The following message is transmitted at the request of your local authorities. This is a law enforcement warning from the Boston Police Department. Residents of Boston, lock all of your doors immediately. Multiple 911 calls to EMS stating violent civil unrest have been made. The people involved are causing damage and are turning cars over in downtown Boston. Numerous instances of widespread looting, fighting in the streets, and vandalism have been made as well. Most of these widespread instances have been noted to be locating in unison near the TD Garden downtown, along with the connection stating that most of these rioters matched reports witnessing thousands of Boston Bruins fans that recently attended Game 7 of the 2019 Stanley Cup Finals, and have proceeded to riot in the streets surrounding the arena. The motive of these violent riots appears to stem from the Bruins losing the game to the St. Louis Blues by a blowout score of 4-1 on home ice, and causing the Bruins to lose the Stanley Cup Finals to the Blues. At this time, all residents within a 2-mile radius of the TD Garden, as well as within the vicinity of downtown Boston, are ordered to stay indoors. Do not let anyone into your home at all costs. If anyone participating in the riots enter your home, you may defend yourself to the fullest extent of the law. Do not leave your home for any reason, unless mandated with official instructions to do so, and do not participate in the riots. If the situation continues to deteriorate, a state of martial law will be enacted, and the Massachusetts National Guard will be activated and deployed to the city to put a forceful end to the riots, should they get out of local control. Once again, do not go outdoors, as this will put your safety in jeopardy. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation. Repeating, violent riots stemming from the Bruins' blowout loss of Game 7 of the 2019 Stanley Cup Finals at home to the St. Louis Blues has been reported almost simultaneously and in unison throughout the city of Boston, particularly near the TD Garden, where the game took place at. Stay safe, and do whatever you can to protect yourself, as well as others around you.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. Phantom, that's alright. Inside all white, like something you ride a sled down. I just want that head. My bracelet, I'm mad. Her bracelet, her man, no. Everybody got the same swag, no. All the way that I chat, no. Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me. I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny, all the pain out. Please, Johnny, make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it keep controlling me. I done pain, I can feel it. I swear that it's slowing me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry. I'm the way you should never lie. Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said I am not afraid to die. Yeah, all my friends are dead. Put me to the edge. Yeah, all my friends are dead. Yeah, put me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Yeah, all my friends are dead. That is not your swag. I swear you fake on. Y'all ain't nigga wanna take my kid on. Red on, I just don't red on. Yeah, mess on, look, nigga, test on. Fast car, nice car, rest on. In the car, they got no ones that we won't back down. Clothes from overseas, got them racks and they all see. No, to you it's not a cheat. Oh, looking at your stacking, look your money, it all green though. I was counting that I is all 20s, that's a G, bro. She said, you're the worst, you're the worst. I cannot die bigger, this my universe. I don't really care if you cry. On the real, you shouldn't ever lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. I'm starting over. Stacking it in with the top and now I'm starting alright. I'm quite alright. Damn, my money's right. Yeah, hey, yeah, it's quite alright. Wake up in the morning, then I'm getting back to it. Yeah, I'm getting back to it. You ain't showing me no love, so I turn my back to you. Yeah, I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, cause I'm done. On the real, love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face, cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Yeah, that was, everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head, whoa, messing with your head, whoa. I've been texting her all night, she know I was doing wrong. She left me right on red now. I'm walking with my head down. I gotta keep my head high. I got a whole nother check, not talking verified. Rest in peace, my dad. I am no hater, yeah, we in the same way, but only difference is that you do not own me. I could just tell by the way that you're driving it. I pull up in that car just like it's stolen. Yeah, came a long way, came from the hallway. I can't stop, keep going. Yes, my life just feel like one long day. I just live in the moment. Whoa. Coming out just when the sun down. My boys, they ruthless like hoops and they really run down. I got paper cuts from $100 bills covered in bust downs. Counting with my thumb now. Money make me numb now. I don't really care cause I'm done. On the real, my love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no, you can't hide or run. Yeah, everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said. Messing with your head, messing with your head, whoa, messing with your head, whoa. I just got richer overseas, yeah. Looking at my watch and it's richer than it's green. I just smoking on that good, no, I'm blowing out that steam, yeah. You ain't ever need a number stuffed up in my jeans, yeah. Tell that girl to back, gotta stack racks, hey. No, I can't go outside, can't go out back, yeah. I told that girl I'm not no duck, this ain't that flag, yeah. I don't wanna get older, I'm still living in my life, yeah. All my life, just keep going, don't worry about that, just tighten up and keep flowing. Cowabunga, she gon' ride me like wakeboard. I'm licking on her body until she don't make noise. Yeah. Whoa. I said messing with your head. Messing with your head. Yeah. Thank you. No, really, thank you. You're far too kind. You and you, an experience of a lifetime. I see all of you. Yeah, I really appreciate you.
city. Welcome to my city. The only place I know. All roads lead home.